Alright, go whenever you're ready. Keep going if you want. It's whatever, dude.
Alright, cut it for now.